Sardana. I have done my graduation in BSc, Bachelor of Science. Currently, I am pursuing BGPM program from ICFI Business School. Regarding my internship experience, I worked at Heritage Private Limited. Being a marketing student, I worked in the sales department and also in the finance and the operations department. As I feel that in order to run the business, not only the marketing side is important, but the other aspect of the business, that is the finance and the operations side, is also important. The kind of curriculum and the progressive environment provided by the college is absolutely important for the development of the student. Thank you so much.